Hello students, I am your Zed sir, welcoming you in the new video for the class 6 maths exercise 4.4. So before starting exercise 4.4, similar I will explain some terms that will help to solve the question in exercise 4.4. So here the new term came after the angle. We had come on new term, that is a triangle. Angle have two sides, have one common point, whereas a triangle have three sides. See, triangle. This is my triangle. Triangle have three sides. It is one type of polygon only, and having a three angle A, angle B and angle C, carrying a three angle. So similarly, how I will explain an angle? Now I understand this is called a triangle. Now if I have angle, how I will define the angle? Angle मुझे पता चल गया that when the two ray, or you can say two sides, have a single common point, that is called as an angle. So this is my angle, this is my angle, and this is my angle. So there are three angles: angle A, angle B and angle C. So angle A, angle B and angle C. So if I want to represent angle A, how I will represent angle A? पीछे से चालू करूँगा, CAB. A is in between. Now angle B, so I will start from behind. A, B and C. Clear? Coming on angle C, this is my angle C. So start from behind, angle B, C and A. See, all the angle are in the between. दिख रहा है सबको? सब बीच में. So you can represent like this. Okay, now next point, what we say, vertex. Vertices. So there are three vertices, A, B and C. A, B and C. You can say like this, the common point are called as the vertices only. This is a common point, vertices, common point, vertices, common point, vertices, or the angle where the angle formed, are also called vertices. This is my angle, this is my vertices also. Now, as I said, there are three sides. Sides are three. So which are the sides? Side AB, side BC and side CA. Clear? Now in previous we had understand the interior, exterior and on the boundary. Okay, so here also we will understand this also. So if I want to explain what is interior, so the point which is inside the figure, or you can say the figure which have closed surface, closed curve, and the figure which is the point which is inside it are interior. So interior of triangle. So you have to represent triangle like this. This is my representation of triangle. ठीक है? Angle you can represent like this. आप angle को इस तरीके से दिखा सकते हो, and triangle like this, dark from this right side. Okay? For triangle ABC, we have interior point R, that is P. Point P are the interior point. Now, what is exterior point? So exterior, so which is outside this closed curve, so I can write here, that is X. So exterior of triangle ABC are X. of triangle ABC are X. This is my X point which is exterior, जो outside the triangle, जो यहाँ पे यहाँ घूम रहा है, ठीक है, जो अंदर नहीं है. The point on the triangle ABC. Which are the point on triangle ABC? Points on triangle ABC are, the points are, this is my triangle ABC, okay, ABC, this is my triangle. Which are the points? ASB, then CR, C and R are the points on my triangle. So this is my triangle and this is my concept of interior, exterior and the points on the triangle. So ये clear हो गया सबको. Now write this much. Now the exercise 4.4, question number 1. Read the question. Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. We have to draw one rough sketch of triangle ABC. Rough sketch like it should be like this. Clear? Triangle A, B and C. It's depend on you. Triangle should have 3 sides. I had drawn a 3 side. Clear? Now mark a point P in its interior. We have to mark a point P in its interior. So this is my inner portion. This is called interior. I can mark anywhere. I am marking here P. Clear? Now and point Q in its exterior. So you can draw here point Q outside this triangle, this exterior. Now we have to answer the following question. Is the point A is in its exterior or in its interior? अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहे हैं कि जो A पॉइंट है क्या वो इंटीरियर है या एक्सटीरियर है ऑफ द ट्राइंगल ABC. So here the point A is not interior nor exterior. Clear? It lies on triangle ABC. मतलब वो triangle ABC के ऊपर है. It lies on triangle ABC. So this is my answer. Clear? You have to write this much only. Now coming on question number 2 of this exercise 4.4. So what the question is, they give us a figure, okay? So we will draw first of figure. Similarly, this type of figure only. This is my point A, B, C and this is D. Clear? It is visible to you. These are my points. Is given in question. Now you have to answer the following question that are, identify the 3 triangles in the figure. Which are the 3 triangles in this figure? So first of all you will answer first A. From this I can say ABC. If I am not considering this point, I am hiding this point, this line which is in between. If I hide this, it is a one triangle. अगर मैं इसको निकाल देता हूँ, ठीक है? If I am removing this, so it is my triangle. Okay, ABC. So triangle ABC is my first triangle. Second triangle, if I am not considering this part, if I am hiding this part, so this is my triangle ABD. Clear? So triangle ABD. Done. Now after removing this part, now I am removing, or you can say hiding, this part. So this is my triangle ACD. So triangle ACD. So this is my 3 triangles which I formed from this figure. Now the second question they ask, write the names of 7 angles. We have to answer the angles, which are the 7 angles. Okay, so for this I have to rub. So first of all, write this much so I can start the question B. Now question B, for the question number 2 is, this is my B. Okay, I have to answer this. So 7, what they ask? Name of 7 angles. We have to give the name of 7 angles. Which are the angles? If I am hiding this, so this is my only single triangle, so I have 3 angles here, 3 angles here, and if the middle point is not there, then this is my single. So I can say for angle A, so I can write like this, angle DAB. First angle, this is my first angle considered. Now second angle. So ABD. Initially when you are writing these angles, what you have to do? First of all, you have to hide this one. Okay, so it is easy for you to write the angles for this triangle. You have to hide this much. Only you should see these 3 sides only. Clear? So first I take this one, then this one. Now coming on this D angle. So angle BDA. Clear? Now hide this side. Okay. Now you have these 3 sides A, D, and C. So for this you have to write angle CAD. Now for D, ADC, angle ADC. Then for C, we can say that DCA. How much angle I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want 7 angle. So 1 angle I will take from here. I will remove this point, the line which is in between, and I will get ABC. Triangle ABC. I am writing here triangle ABC. Clear? The second B, we had get the answer of question 2, B point. Now coming on third question, that is, write the name of 6 line segment. We have to write the name of 6 line segment from this figure. So from this figure we can see that the one line is AB, second is AC side, third is DB, then DC, then AD, then BC. How we will write? See here. This is my C. Okay, so I have to answer the line segment, which are the 6 line segment from this figure. So first of AB, then AC. Clear? Then this BD, DC, AD. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. if this D point I don't have, if I don't have this D point, it should be BC. So I can write BC is my last line segment for the answer question number C. Now moving on, question number D. This is my question number D. Okay, or else I should rub this much. ABC, so it is visible to you. D1. So what they ask in D question, which two triangle have angle B as a common? Angle B is a common. Which two triangle? So I can say triangle, if I don't have this one, so I can say ABD, and if I don't have this middle line, so it should be ABC. Yes or no? Triangle ABC. Clear? These are the 1, 2, 3, 4 questions of question number 2 for exercise 4.4. So moving further, oh great, questions are completed. Exercise 4.4 is ended here. Now we will start our new exercise from the new video. Okay, till then I am your Death sir. Stump my lecture here. Thank you. Goodbye.